Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, let me show you what we'll be doing here quick. We have that BMW 3 Series generation 2005-2013 and we'll show you guys how to find and locate the fuse for the master window switch. If your windows do not work, that switch doesn't work. Sometimes it's not a bad switch, it could be just a fuse, and we'll show you. We have two fuses for that one. So in our case guys, okay, I found out that BMW uses 3 different fuse boxes throughout the whole generation, so make sure that you have the one that we do, otherwise things might be a little bit different. And I would still recommend to double check everything, even if everything looks the same, because they did have 2 different boxes in 2007 and 2010 they went to a different fuse box. So we need to go to the passenger side now. Okay guys, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll have more than 200 videos on these cars, so we have videos for almost everything you can think of. So we need to open the glove box. Okay, that cover right here will need to be removed, so those round things need to be turned 90 degrees. Okay, like that. And we can go ahead and pull that cover out. And this is guys your fuse box here. That's where everything, all the fuses are located for that car. And now we have 2 fuses for that master window switch. One is number 21, okay, and fuse number 21 is, okay, if you go in that middle squarey row thing here, the bottom row, okay, the bottom row, the very first from left to right, this is the first fuse guys, for the master window switch. So you can get the fuse puller with the small side, because this one is for the little fuses. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pull the fuse out. Okay, let me get a new one, replacement. All the parts and tools that we use will be listed in the description of the video below guys. So I'll go ahead and push it in now. Okay, like that. This is one of them, number 21. The next one is number 27. So if you go from this one, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the next one will be the second one from left to right, okay, in that fuse panel, okay, right there, the second one. And in our case it's missing, so depending on the year, model and all that stuff, you might have just one of them, and like we do, we just have one. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.